let you know that this work of Biafra at this time, the restoration and the defense of Biafra is not about an individual. Simon Etta is just one of the little you have. You have no clue what is coming to you. The United States of Biafra is a people. It's a people. It's not about we as a people. The people of the United States of Biafra, the Biafra that wanted during the referendum that they want to exit Nigeria. We are the people. We are the people that I really want to get it all. Nobody Nigeria is saying, it's great, non-terrorists like the government of Israel into the community and give them every force that it's what you are defiance and whatever. It is trying to stop the terrorists. He takes a good guy with a gun to stop the bad guy. Thank you so much. So, we have this church. Now the canon must be left alone immediately. Yes. And confession. Simon and that must be released immediately. We know what to do. We will make you different. The United States of Biafra citizens, we make Nigeria leave Simon. In America, I promise you, we are going to introduce the United States of Biafra defense, led by our secretary in culture. That was made by one of our leaders. He knows that we're putting the homeland together. We will listen to that. We thank all the immigration army in homeland, all our commanders, all our people, the stakeholders that are working day and night to ensure that no terrorists wearing Nigerian military, Nigerian police uniform, Nigerian security forces uniform is in their program. Because the United States of Biafra is a sovereign state. They must move to Nigeria. I want to let us know that of the United States of Biafra is from the grassroots level. Yes. We have our United States of Biafra commanders. Yes. And military on the grassroots level. From the district, from the wards to the district, to the counties, to the states. And our commanders are being established in template from the district, from the wards to the district, to the counties, and to the state. These are the people that will ensure that we are not killed and massacred thousands every day by the Nigerian state. I want to tell them that we are one this. Do not remove. That we finish this one. Yes, guys. It is not humiliations. No, it's not pretend. It's not pretend. It's not nowhere. It is really the So on that note, we go to this next level where we are going to bring commanders in homeland, the structures in homeland, where they march to lay feet on the tombs of the fallen heroes, different command leaders who were able just to accommodate so much. We have thousands of Biafra military every single day waiting for the order to move. And I tell Nigeria, Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I will call the honorable case of what? Biafra. Yes. So I just told you today everything is very clear. Thank you very much. Biafrans, all hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. So now, welcome to this event. This is now the very awesome event that we're having today. So before we play the thing, we have to play this number. Yes, Johnny. No. Your laptop. So it's not sure. Washington, D.C., USA, There's no voice. This
bilateral relations with America, the most powerful nation on earth. Thank you, Honorable Secretary of Defense, Honorable Philip John, for your leadership. And also at the High Class Secretary of Defense Homeland, Honorable Nabata, aka Esamunobi, for your dedication. Today, Biafra all over the world also celebrate the remembrance of our heroes. Those who live and dedicated their entire fight and life for freedom. And those who are currently locked up in different regions, police cells, and prison custody, particularly in Nigeria, Finland, and elsewhere in the world. I stand with deep respect to honor our hero and legend, General Kim, to welcome our given to. Most importantly, the independence was not one selfishly, only for the sake of separation from the Nigerian state. Because we Biafrans are facing a special threat of global extermination by the Nigerian state, sponsored and reported Islamic gangs of terrorists, who have recruited the Nigerian civil force and across board equipped and dispatched systematically to Biafra land to kill and attack Biafra people and their ancestral lands with full support of the Nigerian government. Nigeria State orchestrated a plethora of insurgency, banditry, kidnapping for ransom, terrors, violent and forced conflict, militarization and exploitation of Biafra land, and other high-scale terrorism all over Nigeria. Just to achieve one goal of total stabilization of the country. And we Biafrans we said, no! There are killings everywhere in Nigeria today. There's no peace and security anywhere. People are living in fear, and all signs of the failed state are becoming visible in Nigeria. Government inability and lack of capacity to protect lives and property at the order of the day. Nigeria has lost total control of our territory. There's enduring violence. Killer violence is growing overwhelmingly. All the government institutions are poor. There is total decline in public service. As over 90% of the Nigerian government, ordinary, these ministries, departments, and agencies are fantastically corrupt. The healthcare system is very poor. Poverty and unemployment have taken over Nigeria as a poverty capital of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of the embassy is strong and enduring friendship between America and Biafra. It moderates our commitment to strengthen our ties and protect mutual understanding and cooperation. We sincerely commend the victory and the second term of President Donald Trump as the 45th and now the 47th President of America. The most powerful this is the best choice for America and first America to take back America and to restore hope and give freedom to those who are under bondage. We celebrate Donald Trump, we celebrate the United States of America, and we continue to celebrate our freedom as people of Biafra. America is a global symbol of democracy, justice, human rights protector, and always a beacon of hope to the hopeless and oppressed people of the world. As we embark on this new chapter, we look forward to exploring new opportunities for more allies on our quest, for total control of our homeland, and rejecting the terrorist invaders. We believe that this embassy play a vital role in fostering greater cooperation and collaboration between Biafra and America and other nations in the world, who share in our continuous quest for freedom and independence. Biafra land is full of many natural and human resources. Today we have 40 states of Biafra. Each state has its own uniqueness, rich natural resources, cultural heritage, vibrant connective conditions to mention specifically. This is what our oppressors never wanted us to enjoy. This is the reason they are fighting to keep Biafrans in perpetual slavery. Biafra land is endowed with many mineral resources such as petroleum, land quantity, rich land culture, deep seas, rivers, and oceans for growing our global economy and other raw materials needed for industrialization processes. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest gratitude to all our sources and the defend Biafra land and working tirelessly to legitimize Nigeria and permanently restore and sustain the freedom of the people. Once again, I sincerely express my gratitude to our host government officials and individuals who have contributed to this the establishment of this embassy. Your support and cooperation have been valuable. Let us seize opportunities lie ahead and work together to strengthen our relations and promote peace, prosperity, and understanding. Thank you all.
Good job.
Please put your hands in applause for the fantastic presentation. The next expert say the different. So I'm not finished yet. Orabueze will explain how they are married and how they are the balance. Yeah. Let's do it.
Yes. I said the first. It just started, yeah. I don't know what happened. The little baby. That was it. No, we don't want that. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to go to the next one. Okay.
All right.
So the next thing.
This point in time, we asked the DJ to give us some tunes while we are waiting for the continuation of the video. DJ, please do your thing. Give us nice tunes. Thank you very much.
Three concessions. the young people